Within just 5 weeks last year, the longest bull market on record erased 3 years' worth of stock gains, crashing more than 30% from an all-time high in February to a pandemic low on March 23, the day Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell pledged to use the central bank's full range of tools to support the U.S. economy in this challenging time. Exactly 1 year and trillions of dollars in government spending later, stocks have staged a historic rally, taking investors on a wild ride. Some highlights. Electric car maker Tesla is now one of the most valuable companies in the world. The cryptocurrency market has swelled to more than $1 trillion, and so-called meme stocks dominate Wall Street commentary with volatile swings that force exchanges to halt trading. It's still unclear how long the new bull market can last, but 1 year after one of the worst stock market crashes in history, here's a look at its monumental recovery. The S&P 500 has skyrocketed over the past year, hitting its latest high on Wednesday and marking what LPL Financial chief market strategist Ryan Detrick calls the best start to a bull market ever. It took just 5 months for the index to recover its steep COVID-induced losses, the fastest recovery ever for a correction of more than 30%. To compare, it took the S&P a staggering 20 months to recover after the index crashed by 34% in 1987. High-flying technology stocks like Amazon, Zoom and Tesla led the market to new highs last year, but this year, energy stocks have been heading up the index's resurgence. The S&P 500 Energy Index is still about 10% off its pre-pandemic levels, but it surged 103% over the past year. Materials and financials aren't far behind, climbing 92% and 90%, respectively. The Dow, which counts 30 market leaders in its ranks, has also soared 76% over the past year, though its pandemic low was on March 16, 1 week before the S&P's trough. A testament to the economy's impending recovery, cyclical stocks which tend to outperform during periods of growth but fall hard during recessions have driven the index's gains. Top performer Boeing tanked more than 70% in the pandemic's early days, but it's rocketed 165% over the past year. Meanwhile, storied investment bank Goldman Sachs nabs the Dow's second biggest gain, surging 145% as analysts look toward financials to lead the market this year. Equipment maker Caterpillar, commodities giant Dow Inc. and Walt Disney round out the top 5 Dow stocks over the past year, all surging at least 125%. A new stay-at-home normal that catapulted stocks like Peloton, Zoom and Slack helped the tech-heavy Nasdaq climb to meteoric highs during the pandemic, but tech's dominance has been threatened in recent weeks. The index is down about 5% from a high on February 12, as rising treasury yields fuel concerns that investors may sell off high-priced tech stocks in favor of the risk-free asset class. But experts aren't too worried yet.